Let's play on the beach. I love the beach. It's one of my favorite places in the world because there's lots of water and sand. I like to build sand castles there, and it's wonderful. I really, really love the beach. I love the water. It's so refreshing. There are lots of fishes in the sea as well, and seaweed. That's where I like. This is Holyhead, and it has one of the best beaches in the world. There are lots of ships going as well. I found some dogs there, and that's me playing with the water. Lots of water and seaweed. I'm touching the water. I love, love, love water. Yeah, it's so beautiful and clear, the sea water. And the rocks are very, very beautiful, different colors and shades. They are rocks. I like to stand on them. It's so beautiful. I saw a man fishing, but he didn't catch any fish. The fish were too smart. Yeah. He kept trying and trying and trying. He never gave up. There were little boats that went everywhere. There are lots of boats there. I wish I could go on a boat one day. I love the beach.